If your SSID and password are correct, the problem might be related to Wi-Fi band congestion. Modern routers, including Rogers Ignite gateways and Xfinity X-Fi pods, use band splitting to optimize performance. Wi-Fi operates on different frequency bands. The 2.4 GHz band offers longer range but slower speeds, making it suitable for Internet of Things devices like smart bulbs or thermostats. The 5 GHz band provides higher speeds and less interference, ideal for bandwidth-intensive activities like streaming videos or online gaming. The newer 6 GHz band delivers ultra-low latency, perfect for demanding applications. Connection drops often occur when devices connect to the wrong band or face interference from neighboring networks. Many newer routers support automatic band steering, which dynamically assigns devices to the optimal band based on their needs and signal strength. Use the Rogers or Xfinity app to check your band settings and ensure band steering is enabled. This feature isn't always perfect, but it helps manage connections automatically. If issues persist, manually splitting the bands by giving them different network names can help direct specific devices to specific bands. As an Xfinity case study showed, enabling band steering in the X-Fi app resolved 80% of connection issues, with statistics indicating 30% faster speeds afterward.